Installation and wiring of the Aviexx Edge node. Begin the installation process by removing power from the HVAC equipment. Confirm that the 24-volt AC circuit is de-energized. Position the Aviexx Edge node in a convenient place on the exterior of the equipment that is safe, dry, and secure. Using self-tapping screws, attach the node to the equipment. Ideally, the indicator LEDs should be easily visible after the device is completely installed. This will come in useful later. Mount air temperature sensors by drilling a 5/16 inch hole in the sheet metal. Install using self-tapping screws, ensuring that the flat edge of the sensor probe is parallel with the direction of the airflow in the duct. The supply air sensor should be located at least 48 inches away from the heat exchanger and cooling coil to ensure a thorough mixing of air and accurate measurement. Return air sensor should be located before the filter on the return plenum of the equipment. Wiring is not polarity sensitive. Virtually any gauge will work, but we recommend 2-conductor 18 to 22 gauge. Mount the refrigerant sensors as closely as possible to the cooling coil on the exterior of the equipment using the cable ties provided. Connect the thermostat terminals on the Edge node to the thermostat terminal on the equipment main control. Do not alter or remove the main thermostat connections. Connect the sensors to the Edge nodes following the markings on the label. Aviexx offers optional inputs. On the thermostat side of the Edge node, the terminal marked O can be used for a variety of inputs. Most commonly, it's used for heat pump reversing valve, condensate alarm, third stage of heating, an alternate location for the G wire, or burner alarms for oil burners. On the sensor side of the Edge node is the sensor option terminal, which allows for a variety of optional sensor inputs. Most commonly, an Aviexx ultrasonic oil tank level sensor or a domestic hot water storage tank flow sensor. Now to connect the Edge node to the Aviexx cloud on a local Wi-Fi. Confirm that all the wiring connections are complete according to the instructions. Energize the Edge node by applying power to the HVAC equipment. Check the LEDs on the node for the following. A solid red LED indicates the power is on to the unit. An orange LED, fading in and out slowly, shows that the data is being collected from the Edge node. A solid blue LED shows that the Edge node is ready to connect. Using a mobile phone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and select the Aviexx Edge node showing in the available connections list. Select Manage Router. This will allow the Edge node to directly display the remaining setup pages on your mobile device. The Edge node will display this page. Please note that Aviexx will only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi routers. Like all IoT devices, 5 GHz is not supported. Enter your Aviexx login email address. Select the local router SSID and enter the password. Optionally, you can select the WPS function and connect to the Wi-Fi using the WPS button on the router without requiring a password. Connection status is updated in real time. Once the node is connected to the Aviexx cloud, your phone will be disconnected from the node and return to its default data connection. Commissioning is now complete. Within a few moments, you will receive a message from Aviexx via text or email that will contain a link to complete the registration of the Edge node on the Aviexx cloud. Be sure to have the HVAC equipment information ready to enter into the database. Specifically, you will need to know equipment type, manufacturer, model number, serial number, installation date, and various energy ratings. After completing these steps, the equipment will be fully accessible on your Aviexx Service Pro homepage.